C. Encouraging and condoning insubordination and the making of insulting and demeaning public utterances by subordinate staff against the deputy governor and other elected leaders. D. Bullying, undermining, and posting insulting and demeaning messages about the deputy governor in our subgroups around county and admin services, whose membership includes several officers who are subordinate to the deputy governor. E. Encouraging and condoning the removal of the deputy governor by junior officers from official county WhatsApp communication forums. F. Arbitrary suspension, dismissal, withdrawal, and frustration of the staff of the offices of the deputy governor. G. Illegally, irregularly, and fraudulently holding the deputy governor's staff out of office by purporting to accept their non-existent designations. H. Arbitrary reduction, suspension, and withdrawal of budgetary facilitation for legitimate operations of the office of the deputy governor. I. Threatening to inflict bodily harm against the deputy governor orally and in WhatsApp chats. J. Forcible breaking, entry, and sacking of the deputy governor's office. K. Changing the locks to the deputy governor's office. I. Arbitrary location of the deputy governor's office. M. Arbitrary withdrawal of security from the deputy governor's residence. And N. Persistently making demeaning public utterances against other elected leaders, despite the same issue featuring prominently in the previous impeachment proceedings. O. Making insightful, insulting, and demeaning remarks against other leaders by falsely accusing them of cartelism at a presidential Thanksgiving service held in Ilare, despite this issue arising in the previous impeachment proceedings. And lastly, P. Encouraging, conniving, and condoning husbands insulting and demeaning public utterances and musical performances against other elected leaders, despite this issue featuring in the previous impeachment proceedings. 15. Evidence of the governor's engagement, connivance, and or complicity in the proceeding. 1. Gross violation of the Constitution and the law. 2. Gross misconduct. And 3. Gross abuse of office is to be found in A. The answer of the meeting of the Sectoral Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs, and Cohesion held on 29 September 2023, a copy of which is produced on pages 101 to 124 of the exhibits. B. Screen grabs from the WhatsApp group styled than Government 012 and account and admin services, copies of which are produced on pages 125 to 194 of the exhibits. C. Correspondence relating to the appointment of Patrick Nkonga as the personal assistant to the deputy governor, a copy of which is produced on page 195 to 198 of the exhibit. D. A letter by the Governor Chief of Staff dated 22nd May 2023 purporting to accept an non-existent resignation from Patrick Nkonga, a copy of which is produced on page 199 of the exhibit. The purported resignation of Patrick Nkonga on 18th May 2023 is a publication of the Governor's Chief of Staff. E. A claim by Patrick Nkonga for withheld salary dated 25th August 2023, a copy of which is produced on page 200 to 201 of the exhibit. F. The appointment letter for Kambudo Paul Gikamati as the chief driver to the deputy governor dated 30th August 2022, a copy of which is produced on pages 202 to 203 of the exhibits. G. A letter by the Governor Chief of Staff dated 19th May 2023 purporting to accept an non-existent resignation from Kambudo for Gikamati, a copy of which is produced on page 204 of the exhibits. H. A demand letter by Kambudo for Gikamati advocates for withheld salary dated 13th June 2023, a copy of which is produced on page 205 to 211 of the exhibits. I. A letter by the Deputy Governor Personal Assistant, the Chief of Officer, Public Administration dated 14 July 2023, a copy of which is produced on page 212 of the exhibit. J. Correspondence dated 11 August 2023 to 11 September 2023 relating to repairs, services, and fuel for the deputy governor's official motor vehicle, copies of which